If you're shooting in a gym, you have to be very aware of everybody and everything going around you. Because if you are right in the middle of all the action and other members can't get access to the weights, you're not going to be invited to shoot there again. Hey everybody, Bracely here today. We are at Built by Faith Gym in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. I'm with
Michaela Mays.
And we are here again to do another video about a gym shoot. The reason why we're against the wall is because our last set was taking up a lot of space in the middle of the gym. The reason why I love walls is because everybody can still work out without us being in their way. So let's see how she does. If you like the light setup or if you tried it at home, we'd love to see what you do and what your take on the light is. Hopefully it works for you. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go. Chin up a tiny bit more. When you're turning your head, so if you're looking straight this way, it's okay. If you turn your head this way, this light here, I want it to go low, hit the quad, also hit a little bit of the core. This light is going to localize your face. Camera right side is going to hit the long side of the leg. Chin up, pinky towards me. Like that, and then bend the rest a little bit more. Just like that, perfect. Big stretch, love that, more. Good, turn your face more to the right. Love that. Biceps tight, right bicep, activate right there. Roll the face back to me a little bit more, chin up. Move this hand around. Let's go to the neck. Perfect, big lean of the shoulders. Really push the hips out to your right. Chin down a little more. Turn your face all the way hard right. Rotate shoulders to me, chest to me, face to the right. More. Tilt the head this way. Let's go both hands to the hair. Good, perfect. Right there. Turn your face more to the right. Push that shoulder, left shoulder forward. On the fingers, I want a little bit less out like this. Relax the fingers. Left hand, the thumbs tucked like this. Bring the hand down more so I can see the thumb. Tuck the thumb underneath the fabric like that. Perfect. Elbow forward, yeah, perfect. As much arch as you can. More. Tiny gap in the mouth. A little more gap. This hand to the neck, this hand on top of the head. Like that, perfect, perfect, hold. Just like that, perfect. Perfect, chin up a tiny bit. Bring the face towards me. Ooh, chin back up. The same exact thing from here, shoulders down, like that. Biceps tight. Good, turn your face towards me a little more, more. A little more, chin. Right there, good. A little more gap in the mouth. Hold it, hold it. So you saw a 3-light setup. There you go, you saw a 3-light setup up against a wall. We use red today. Normally I like to use white. The reason why I like white is because when the light hits, it bounces, you get a nice little edge, an additional accents of light. If you learned something, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part or how you would light it different. If you're learning new light setups, I would definitely love to hear it, and tag me on Instagram so that way I can see what you're creating. Be sure to follow her, give her support as she prepares for her next show. And until the next time, adios, gracias por todo, hasta luego.